Hello everyone and welcome back to Codestar Technologies. This is one of the best tech YouTube channel and also one of the largest online learning platform here in Kenya and Africa at large. My name is Erico Banks, and in our today's session I would like to show you how you can do that is how you can visualize data using JavaScript. In other words, how you can generate things like graphs and charts using JavaScript. This is one of the questions that one of our subscribers asked about it, and I thought it can be a good idea to share with all of you so that we can grow together. So before we start, kindly, if you might need to learn this kind of stuff to do with web development, either PHP, MySQL, full stack JavaScript web developer, that is Node.js and JavaScript in one of their frameworks, or even just the stuff to do with HTML, CSS, then also things to do with Python. Remember, Python is widely used on data science, machine learning, and even on web development using frameworks like Django and Flask. Feel free to enroll for those courses here on our platform, that is codestar.co.ke, and we'll get back to you so that we can take you through this journey of software development. So again, maybe if you're new on this channel, kindly consider clicking that subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video like this one. Remember, we normally do almost 2 or 3 videos every week, and as you can see, the content it is one of the content that is attracting so many viewers and subscribers. And I know if you're new, when you go through our videos, you'll get a lot of content which is going to help you, so kindly do that. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, and as usual, to the rest of the subscribers and viewers, thank you for your support. Continue sharing, that is, give the videos thumbs up, and also contribute by writing something small on the comment section so that we can move forward. I do appreciate for those guys who are sending messages to motivate me. I appreciate a lot. That support means a lot. Now, JavaScript is one of the best programming languages. if you can go through the internet and check maybe on the some statistics, you realize that JavaScript in most cases it is being fronted as one of the best programming language out there, and it is being widely used in many areas. And in our today's session, it normally works with you can generate charts. That is, you can just write charts in JS, something like that, and automatically you'll get to see what happens with this kind of stuff. So you'll get to learn, or even I can write like chart.js and something like that. Get started, and you'll see this this library called chart.js. It's one of the best libraries that you can use to generate charts. So it's something which is straightforward. You don't need to stack. You can install if you're using npm, that is node, you can install the library. Again, that is the package. Again, maybe if you might need to use the cdn, that is cdn, you can also get the cdn here. This is it. This is the one that you normally use and include it on your code. Then to get to learn more about how you create different types of charts, you can see this is how you generate different types of charts. You just pass the data and automatically everything is going to be done for you. Now I have some code which is here. You can see this file called chart. So this one you just need to right click, and then I will open with Notepad so that I can explain a little bit about it. This is just a simple HTML page which contains some HTML tags and some JavaScript. As you can see, the JavaScript starts from here all the way up to here. Now the first part, which is very important, it's this CDN. You just include it on your file, then you specify the container which is going to contain your charts or graphs, something like that, and then you can have this ID called chart. That's where we are going to paste or that's where we are going to place our chart. And how do we place? You can see with the JavaScript here, you're going to get the this ID called my chart, like this. Then this is how you create the chart. You just write my chart, then chart, then you put it inside the variable which is my chart, which is this id my chart. Then after that you specify the type of chart, then you specify the data here. The data can be dynamic, like for example here you can change the values to something else, like if it's maybe subject, you can put subject. Then here, like for example here I can use maths. I can say this will be English. You can see it's kind of an array. Science, and I can also say this is during our time we used to call it GHC. Geography, history and civics, something like that, and CRE, so something like that. Then we have got I know nowadays it is referred to as even it has changed. I think it's maybe social studies, something like that, but it's something else, maybe environmental science. Maybe they have changed it in different way, CPC. So science, we have got Kiswahili, something like that. Sorry for the caps. I want to use something like that, Swahili. And yeah, I can do away. Okay, I can put this one to be CRE, or maybe IR, maybe something like that. So this one you can put it maybe to something to do. You can even let the values to be like that. There's no problem. But maybe if you want max, we can say this is 45. This you can get maybe something to do with 56. This is something to do with it's what, science. Science is not that friendly to many people, but I can say maybe 86. Maybe the guy is a good choppy when it comes to that. This one you can say 78. This one we can put it, Kiswahili is si mdomo cha kila mtu, so we can put it that stuff. Not everyone goes to church, but we can put it at 60, something like that. So I'll save, and now you pass the data like that. Once you pass the data, the rest is just about the colors, how they are going to be displayed. And yeah, that is it. You can add even the title, the chart axis. You can add a lot of stuff, and that's how you generate a chart. So let's first of all see what happens. So I'm going to just double click. This doesn't need any server. So you can see this is a bar chart which contains our subject like this. As you can see, maths is there, English goes something here, we have got Swahili, we have got GSC, so something like that. So in case maybe I might need to change the graph to something else, like for example, if I might need to change to bar chart, you can just write, you normally write bar like that, and you save. And if you come here and refresh this one, it's supposed to show a bar instead of what we refer to as the large. It's like that. Now I hope guys you've understood how this works. And now assuming like you want to fetch data from the database and display the data, what happens is just you fetch the data and you pass it in form of arrays here, like you paste. You know that this JavaScript is a front-end programming language. So in this case, you just pass the JSON file here. Remember when you're working with API, or you can just echo the PHP arrays in this case here, and they are going to work out. And also here for the marks. So assuming if this is the subject, you just specify the subject and you specify these ones, the marks somewhere there. Now I would like to show you one of the things that I did sometimes back. There's a project which I did about this kind of charts, and the project was about graphs. It entails a lot of analytics of data and so forth. So this one is under what? And supposed to be PHP or what? PHP project. Then we have data analysis. Now I used PHP desktop, so maybe I can open like that so that you can be able to see how it looks like. PHP desktop, I did a video sometimes back. If you want to create a simple application which can work on your desktop using PHP, it doesn't require any internet connection. This is one of the best stuff that you can use, though there has been no support, too much support about it. So it looks like this. It generates this kind of graphs, and you can see we have got some shops here from different areas and what they have sold. And now I'm trying to plot some graphs here to display some kind of stuff here. So I normally upload the data through this. Just click there, you specify how you upload the data, which date, you choose the file, which is an Excel file, then you upload. Once you upload, you'll be able to see all those kind of stuff. The rest is about generating the reports, like a simple table to show the reports of how these things are working. Now let's get to the code itself so that you can see how the charts looks like. So in this case it entails, because it has got some how do we call it, a database here. So the database looks like this. It is an SQLite database. I think I don't have the file to open that one. You can download a browser to open to create an SQLite database. So the database is this one, and then we have got the connection, and now on top of that we have got the graph or charts which are being generated using this one. So as you can see here, I'm doing the connection to the database. Once I get the connection, I've declared several arrays, but in this case you'll have maybe 2 arrays. It's not a must to have 3, because maybe for the subject and also for the marks. Then after that, what will happen is that you write a query that will fetch the data from the database, and once you do that, you convert that data into an array. So you normally use this function called array underscore push in PHP. Then you push that data to this point. As you can see here, this is an array which we have declared here. So once it's pushed that, now we have got our script here. The script, the PHP script, not PHP but JavaScript script, which contain this kind of stuff. When the windows load, what happens? This is the function which is executed. And which function? We have got the function which contains this chart here. Then we are going to pass it inside the chart, because this is a file which is under index.php. So this is where it's going to be passed. We have got the div which is named this ID. So it's where the chart is going to be passed, and we have got the title of the charts, how they are going to be named. Then we contain the data. As you can see here, data points, we specify the names here, as you can see. So it's a way of echoing, just using converting them to JSON, and you pass the data through that. The other part, you pass the data like that, and all that and all that. So you generate the charts and it's going to work for you. So that's how simple you can do it. And as you can see, this is how it works. Now this one you can also with this how do we call it, a PHP desktop, you can also just open using a browser. It still works. So I did a video about PHP desktop, how you can create a desktop application using PHP. So you can check, there is the source code which is there, and you'll get it. Again, I always share the source code on the link on the description. When you click the video, watch, click at the description, you'll find the link about the download. There are some videos which I have not uploaded below, but I'm going to make sure I upload all of them so that you can get all the source code which is needed, including for this video. So that is it for now. I do appreciate for your support. Thank you. Continue sharing, continue watching our videos, give them thumbs up. That's how you support this channel. And in our next video, we are going to talk about how to upload an image or any file, because that's something that sometimes bring issues, and for the beginners, in most cases, that's where we normally start, and it's a question which I've seen many guys asking about it, though I know I've promised so many videos before. But yeah, I'm going to make sure I do all those kind of videos, even these ones about the how to answer next question. People have sent messages appreciating the content, because I know guys are going to pass the coming next exams. So all the best as you prepare yourself, and thank you. See you on the